What's up, family? This is an update video on the video that actually went viral on TikTok. This is the service that took 4 days to do because their microlocks and her hair was so long. Two of the most popular questions that were asked in the comments were, how is she going to take these out, and are these sister locks? So I'm going to answer these questions in this update video. So for one, these are locks. These are permanent. When people decide they want to lock their hair, they do not think about taking them out later. Although they might change their mind later on, they do not go into getting locks wanting to take them down. So I think a lot of people were confused, thinking these were micro braids, but these are actually locks, and she will not be taking them down. And for the second most popular question, these are not considered sister locks because they were not done by a trained sister lock consultant. Also, the parting grid that I used is different from the parting grid that they are trained to do for sister locks. Now here's her 5-week update. So now she came back 5 weeks later, and she's here for her first shampoo and her first retighten. As you can see, she has a little more than a ½ inch of new growth. So that's good. That means her hair is growing. Everything is still intact, and she cannot wait for her first shampoo. We are busting them suds, and her scalp is loving it. Within this 5-week time period, she was able to cleanse her scalp because she does work out a lot, so she sweats in her scalp. So she was able to cleanse her scalp with a mild astringent, but it's nothing like that shampoo and running water on your scalp. So she is in heaven right now. Some people wanted to know what the maintenance is on the microlocks, and here it is. So I'm using my latch hook, and I'm going in and interlocking the roots the same way we interlocked the hair from the ends on up. We are then going to do the same technique for her new growth, which is the new hair that's growing from her scalp. Here you can see the comparison between the 5-week-old hair and the new retighten locks. Her initial install took 4 days, but this retightening visit took 4 hours. So it's a big difference in the time, and I'm so satisfied with her hair. She loves her hair. And if you notice a difference between the length of her hair now compared to when we started, it is a little shorter because her hair is very curly. So yep, that was the recap. As always, I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you for making this video go viral, and make sure to follow on IG, TikTok, and YouTube to see more.